What's happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building again, and getting ready to go over my pros and cons of owning a Draco. Now, these are my pros and cons. You know, this is me. You may feel different. That's your prerogative. I'm gonna tell you my pros and cons of owning this little beast right here. You know, and I guess we'll start off with the pros. First off, I'm gonna say this. This gun is awesome. I mean, it's fun, awesome. You know, it is one of my favorite guns, which is gonna lead us right into the first pro. The first pro is there's no better way to say hello at the range than squeezing off a magazine from this little baby right here. This thing right here lets everybody know that you have arrived. This thing is loud, 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 shoots flames, flames, flames. You know, that can be a pro and a con, you know, because, you know, it all depends on what you like in your weapon. You know, me, myself, I have no problem with the loudness. I have no problem with the flames, you know, because that's pretty much what this gun is for, in my opinion. To go to the range, it's a conversation starter, you know, and it is a very fun gun to shoot. And that's pro number one. Pro number two, the ammunition is not hard to find. I can get 7.62 by 3.9 all day long. It is no issue to find things that I want for it. It's not an issue to find accessories, attachments, and everything, because everything that fits on the larger Draco, you know, as far as, you know, main components, they'll fit on here. You know, basically, if it does not have anything to do with the barrel length, it'll fit on here. All the attachments work. So you have a wide range of accessories to get for this gun. Three, I mean, another pro to this gun is that at one point they were real easy to get, you know, and that has actually turned into a con now, because now they're kind of hard to find. I actually talked to the gentleman at Century Arms, and he said they're sold out to mid-2021. So, you know, right now you're looking in the resale market, or you're looking in the used market to get yourself one. But if you find one, go ahead and snatch it up, because I do recommend this gun, because you know, the pros, in my opinion, you know, just outweigh, I would say. And now, another pro is that this gun will shoot forever. You do not have issues with this gun jamming. I have not had this gun fail on me as far as jamming. I have not had this gun fail on me as far as the mechanicals of this weapon are beautiful. It does not fail. It does not lack in anything. Now, that's not to say that there aren't magazines that you can buy that are pieces of crap. There are magazines that aren't worth anything. And, you know, I would say go with the tried and true. Do not buy some magazine just because it looks good. Do not buy some magazine just because, you know, you think it's cool, because, you know, that those failure to feed issues that do arise have all been because of the magazine. All right. Now, let's get into a con of this weapon. You do not want to jump out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning because you heard a bump, grab this, and start shooting. You know, imagine this going off in your house at night. I mean, it's gonna shoot whatever intruder and it's going to go through walls. It's going to go through the brick. It's going to go through whoever you're shooting at, protecting your house, and then you will turn into the person that is doing wrong because you're shooting your neighbor's house. This gun is strictly SHTF. SHTF, and all my gun people already know what that means. SHTF. If it's the end of the world and you got to go out and just go for it, then, you know, by all means, take the Draco. You know, you will be able to hold your own. You'll be able to lay down suppressing fire. You'll be able to, you know, back people up. But as far as home protection, this is not an ideal gun for home protection. All right. And another con I would say is you cannot shoot this gun without ear pro unless you suppress it. All right. But as far as shooting this without ear protection, like if there's a bump in the middle of the night, you jump up, grab this gun, your ears are going to be bleeding. You're going to rupture your eardrums. You're going to probably scare whatever's breaking in your house away. But everybody in your house's ears going to be ringing for at least 2 weeks. I mean, that's how loud it is, and that's in the configuration that I have it in with that. And even if it was not configured the way that I have it configured, then, you know, you would still have noise issues. And also, another con is the flash. You know, if you're trying to be discreet, you would give away your location, 1, through sound, 2, through flash. The fireball that comes out of here is enormous. And you know, it's just the best way to put it is this gun is great for the range until SHTF. Then it's great for, you know, laying down suppressive fire, laying down everything. And a lot of people talk about range. You know, I see people talking all the time about, you know, you can't hit nothing at 200 yards. You can't shoot nothing at 100 yards because it's inaccurate. It's inaccurate. It's inaccurate. If you shoot somebody at 200 yards, your ass going to jail. You know, there's no self-defense scenario where, you know, you're going to shoot somebody at 200 yards away, 100 yards away. You know, that is not self-defense anymore. That is trying to take somebody out. Your ass is going to jail. So, you know, this is a close quarters weapon. You know, you get you a beam, put you a beam on it, and put you a flashlight on it, and use it for close quarters. All right. That being said, only in a SHTF situation, you know, but all in all, if I had to just say, do I like or leave, like it or leave it, I like it. This is great for the range. This is this is a great conversation starter. This is a great gun to, you know, get in if you enjoy shooting, if you enjoy, you know, having one of the guns that everybody at the range stop what they're doing and, you know, what the hell is he shooting? This is the gun for you. If you want to, you know, make some noise, make some fireballs, and, you know, just have something that is absolutely fun to shoot, absolutely fun to bring, absolutely fun to start conversations with, this is the gun for you. Because, you know, as far as that goes, this gun is awesome. This gun is awesome. Home protection? No. But, you know, anything else? Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I do recommend getting you one just so you can, you know, experience it for yourself, just so you can get out there and have your fun with it. And, you know, hey, let you know, you be the judge once you get it. But I love mine. I absolutely love mine. People been trying to buy mine, and, you know, one day maybe I'll just give it away. You know, maybe I just give this thing away, you know, when I hit a certain number of subscribers, I'll do some sort of something and just let this one go, because this right here I've had for a little while now, and I got a new one that I'm getting ready to put together, and you know, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Johnny Snow.